Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Yes, I'll be resting because tomorrow we do have a show. Later pala. Later may show ulit tayo sa Enchanted Kingdom. Eric, maraming salamat. Next time, guys. Monday, 11 a.m. ang next live ko, guys. So, see ya sa aking next live. Follow me para ma-notify kayo whenever I do go live. Maraming salamat, guys. Almost achieved ang ating goals. Grabe, guys. Halos kompleto. Tingnan nyo. Corgi complete. May isa tayong Cooper, tsaka may tayong work hard, play harder. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And syempre, I just want to give a shout out to our top gifters of today. Maraming salamat kay Mr. E. Hey, thank you, Mr. E. Thank you rin kay JBJ. It's so nice to meet you. If you're still here, thank you so much. Maraming salamat din kay Garfield, syempre. And thank you to Jesh as well. At syempre, thank you so much to Francis! Thank you, Francis! Thank you so much. And to everybody who's been here, ayan. Sina Kuya Chebby. Thank you, everybody. Grabe, 207,000 likes tayo. Thank you, Kanabind. Thank you so much. Thank you to Shobet, Tita Kate, Tita Richard, and John. Thank you, Sean.